Anyway, we'll touch on that later on. But now let's start with matters coffee, where smallholder coffee farmers, through their umbrella body, the National Coffee Cooperative Union, NACU, have raised concerns over low coffee prices at the Nairobi coffee auction. The farmers now want the government to intervene and implement some of the key recommendations that were underway during President Uhuru's term in order to increase coffee earnings. Francis Ngone is the national chair of NACU.
Claiming in that letter now that the coffee is normally, he wants to say traditionally it is of low quality. Yet, a time like now last year, we got the best prices that we have ever had on the same type of coffee. Number two, he is taking issues back to COVID, saying that due to the decrease of COVID last year, the buyers bought more than they wanted.
Some buying organizations whereby they are the millers, again they are the sellers, and also they are the buyers in the market by changing the names of the companies. Those are the groups that they always make sure that they exploit the farmer, and that is where we have come, and we want to make sure that we want our coffee, we want fair play in the Nairobi Coffee Exchange.
Hata sisi pia ni wakulimaji. Mwaka huu tulishindwa na kuona ati ya kwamba ati kawa imedrop kabisa. Hata wakulimaji wetu wakashindwa hata na kulima hiyo kahawa. Sijawahi kusikia mmoja wa serikali akisema ya kwamba ni kitu gani kimetokea ili kahawa iwe imerudi chini namna hiyo. Hata sisi tukashangaa sana. Sisi tunaendelea kupigwa na wakulimaji. Ati sisi hatuongei juu yao.
All right, let's head to Kisumu, where the Sarova group